Thank you, Goku. Hi, MK. I'm gonna give you for the rest right now. Disturb me, disturb me down. And you were smoker, nobody goes going down. Ano pa lang ako, 16 minutes. Ang hirap mag-type habang nagla-live. 16 minutes pa lang ako, ka-start ko lang. Magpapa 1 hour ako. I'm 22. Pero you can drop it na. Kasi, last live ko na to. Bukas na ulit ako magla-live. Masyado na akong napapagod. Hi, Nicole. Oo, nahirapan ako rin. King Inamer. Yes, I'm very young. Drop it now, Red, para may pang-highlights ako. Kamusta yung luxury car? Hi, Katie. No, I'm from Cavite. Ang ina, yan na naman, ini-English na naman ako bago mamaya marunong pala mag-Tagalog. Mga buwar ka. Where is that? Cavite, you don't know Cavite. Cavite is part of the Philippines. Part of the earth. How far from Manila? I just want to know because it's the capital, right? I don't know if how far, but it's far away. I'm so sorry. I'm not good at English. How many hours? Ilang oras kaya pag simula Cavite papuntang Manila? 2 hours? I don't know. Daw gusto ko picture. Hi, Denki. Goku, can you drop panda? Ayoko ng duck. Ba't tumatawa si F? Gusto ko picture. Meron mo ko cellphone. Just tell me, disturb me down. Wala na, umalis na sila. Bakit ito naisip mo? Hi, Leo. Sorry. Send mo sa akin la. Sige, isa ba tayo? Tapos mamaya na ito isa. Hi, Tantan. Oh,